Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Chumia 10 PC's door stopper set, a sleek and modern solution for protecting your doors and walls. These black stainless steel floor-mounted stoppers measure approximately 2.56 by 1.26 inches and come with rubber bumpers that effectively guard against impact breakdown. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these doorstops are not only reliable but also resistant to daily scratches, corrosion, and tarnishing, ensuring long-lasting durability. The innovative 2-in-1 design features both a rubber ring and a rubber tip, offering double protection and versatile mounting options. You can easily install these stoppers either vertically on the floor or horizontally on the wall, providing flexibility to suit your needs. Whether it's for doors, walls, furniture, or cabinets, these stoppers are perfect for various applications, including bathrooms and kitchens. Say goodbye to sticky door plugs and hello to a more durable and stylish solution with the Chumia door stopper set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.